In lecture 4 in F block elements, we are going to study about actinides, similarities and differences between lanthanides and actinides. So what are actinides? Actinides are the elements in which the electrons enter in 5f orbitals. All the actinides are radioactive in nature, so their chemistry studies is difficult in the laboratory. Among all the actinides, only thorium, which is represented by Th, and uranium, represented by U, occur naturally in the Earth's crust. So, electronic configuration of actinides. Here is the name of the element given, its corresponding symbol, atomic number, and this is the general electronic configuration, and this is the electronic configuration in its plus 3 oxidation state, and this is the radius given in picometers. So when you look at this electronic configuration, all the actinides in the plus 3 oxidation state, starting with actinium, which has 4f0 electrons, then thorium with 4f1, protactinium with 4f2, uranium with 4f3. As you go from left to right in the periodic table, from actinium to lawrencium, lawrencium will end with 4f14 electrons. And when you look at the radius, as you go from actinium to berkelium, the radius of the actinide plus 3 ion will get reduced. So this is also a sort of actinide contraction. Then we'll see into the oxidation states. The most stable state exhibited by actinides is plus 3 oxidation state. Some actinides also exhibit plus 4 oxidation state as well as plus 6 oxidation state. Usually plus 6 oxidation state is shown by elements like uranium, neptunium and plutonium. Like lanthanide contraction, actinides can also show the phenomena which is known as actinide contraction. The actinide contraction is also due to the poor shielding of nuclear charge by 5f electrons. Then we'll look into similarities between lanthanides and actinides. So basically in F block elements, both lanthanides and actinides have some similarities, like both of them exhibit plus 3 oxidation state predominantly, and in both the series 5 F orbitals are filled progressively. 4f orbitals in lanthanides and 5f orbitals are filled in actinides. Lanthanides exhibit lanthanide contraction. Similarly, actinides exhibit actinide contraction. And the other important similarity is actinides and lanthanides both are electropositive in nature. Therefore, they show high reactivity. The final similarity is lanthanides and actinides exhibit magnetic and spectral properties. Then we'll look into the differences between lanthanides and actinides. The first major difference is in lanthanides, besides plus 3 oxidation state, lanthanides exhibit plus 2 and plus 4 oxidation states. While in actinides, along with plus 3 oxidation state, they can also show plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 and plus 7 oxidation states as well. Lanthanide ions are mostly colorless, while actinide ions are mostly colored. For example, uranium in its plus 3 oxidation state is red in color, and uranium in plus 4 oxidation state is green in color. Lanthanides are less basic while compared to actinides. Actinides are mostly basic in nature. Then the next one is lanthanides except promethium are non-radioactive, while actinides are all radioactive in nature. The last difference between lanthanides and actinides is lanthanides have less tendency towards complex formation, while actinides have greater tendency towards complex formation. So therefore, in this last lecture, we have studied about actinides, their electronic configuration, oxidation states, and actinide contraction. Then we have seen the similarities between lanthanides and actinides as well as the differences between lanthanides and actinides.